Alright, for the squad, sorry it's been a little bit since the last video. Just needed a little break from YouTube for a moment. I had this footage for a little while, this video plus the next one. Finally figured I'd go ahead and finish it up and get it uploaded. I was trying to figure out how I was going to do the sound clip. I know it doesn't really come over too well on YouTube through the computer and all that, but figured at least since I got the install done, I might as well at least give a tempo sound clip. So found a couple songs I'm gonna try and we'll see if it comes out alright. What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today is the day. About to head on over to Ryan's house again. We're gonna get the audio installed. Not gonna have everything set up exactly at the final form. We're gonna get it up and running today. I have a couple tweeters coming and a couple other little pieces here and there to kind of make it kind of cool down the system and everything. So that'll be coming. Maybe another video, but we're at least gonna go ahead and get started on this one. So let me go ahead and head on over there now. And we're trying to get an early start to today. We've got a lot to kind of take care of, but let's go ahead and get this, well, not cold start. I already moved the car a little earlier, so yeah. But my decals, I'm going to be doing those soon. I mentioned it in different, well, actually no, that video ain't come out yet, so decals coming soon. Replacing this, putting one on the other side, and I'm gonna put the handprint again, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so just getting here. Went with Skar. I'm probably gonna have to get another box because this thing is huge. Too big. But that's what came with the kit. Switching out the radio now. Should be Android Auto. And let's take a look at his car. He's still playing around with the height, so I don't know, I like it. I think it looks good, but I thought it looked good the last height too, so let me know what you guys think. Just so clean. But yeah, actually, by the time this video comes out, we already had the meet. But definitely, if you're interested in linking up with us at any of these meets, hit us up on social media. Make sure you follow us. We do generally post when we are doing meets and going to meets. That's the first place you'll probably see, Instagram or Facebook. So definitely make sure you follow if you're interested in coming out. Bunch of random pieces for it. No, I ain't opened that yet. But that's the amp. About to roll to probably Walmart or AutoZone and get a wiring harness. The one that we have is not enough, so I'm gonna go and get another one so we don't have to worry about cutting any wires or anything. Alright, so we did quite a bit of running around. We was able to find one. We went to AutoZone first. They didn't have one for the correct year. I think they had up to 2007. Then we went to Walmart and they had up to 2007 as well. And then where else we go? Oh, we tried to call Best Buy, but they couldn't answer over the phone apparently. But we had to end up going to an audio shop, and of course they charge more, but got the correct one, so we're at least in business now. Alright, so here it is in there. Still getting set up, but box is huge. Had to take out the spare just to get in there. So I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this box. I'm sure it's gonna sound amazing though, but I do want a little more trunk space than this. But we'll see how it goes. But yeah, everything's still getting buttoned up right now. It's the seats, which I didn't realize what it was made out of. But yeah, it's coming along. All right, so just packing up, get out of here. But once get situated, I'm probably gonna do an audio test another day, because I gotta choose the right song that's not gonna get me copyright strike. And yeah, but I gotta put this in the back seat. But yeah, so far I am happy with it. But yeah, I'll do a nice little test for y'all though. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is just the regular kind of cruising sound. It's not too much to it. Just keep it kind of simple. Real simple. And so I have some rattling. This isn't rattling. It's actually coming from here mostly. So gotta get that situated. But sounds pretty good in here. I still gotta get the bezel trimmed up so it'll fit in there. But I do have one. But if I change it, well, let me turn it down a little bit because it gets crazy. See, the bass is on -3, and this is with the bass on. Drop again. Or not. So, and that's -3 on the bass. See how it sounds. I guess it is starting to rattle again already. Somebody put some. But it's a pretty decent setup. I'll have a link in the description below on the actual setup itself. But I try not to ride around like that until I get a fan on the actual amp back there. I don't really want to risk burning it out or anything, so I usually will keep that off. But it's not crazy loud or anything. I could definitely adjust it more. As you can see, that bass is down. So, but yeah, let me know what you guys think about the setup. I really want to play for you guys, but copyright, I ain't really trying to get any issues. But if you guys are interested in hearing more of it, I'll definitely be posting a lot on social media. Mostly Instagram. I'll be posting some sound clips and stuff there. I've been doing like stories and stuff so far. Also, if you guys are local and come out to any of the meets or anything, I'm definitely going to be playing it there too. So, but yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.